Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? First of all, read the message of the day that hard working is the key to success. If you are working hard, it teaches you discipline, determination and dedication. So always try to work hard. So let's start our English lecture, that is worksheets of article and punctuation. Okay, this is a review of first two topics of grammar assignment, that is articles and punctuation. So let's see the worksheet of article first. So these are the statements. You have to tick the correct answer. As you know, there are three articles, a, n and the. So let's see the first MCQs. You have a cup of tea. Options are a, n and the. So you have to tick a. You have a cup of tea. So you have to tick on a. I went to bazaar to buy a dress. Third is dash sun is round. So you have to tick on the sun is round. She has dash ink pot. She has an ink pot. Amir is dash honest boy. Amir is an honest boy. Dash boy has dash umbrella. The boy has an umbrella. So you have to tick on the and. So let's see the next question of this topic, articles. So this is a paragraph and you have to put the suitable article in the blanks. So let's read the paragraph. Dash boy went to the bazaar. A boy went to the bazaar. Dash name of bazaar was Anarkali. The name of the bazaar was Anarkali. He went to dash shop to buy fruits. He went to a shop to buy fruits. He bought dash apples and dash watermelon. He bought an apples and a watermelon. A shopkeeper gave him an orange and a mango too. So these are the two questions related to the topic number 1, articles. Let's come to next topic, that is punctuation. Before starting its worksheet, first of all I will tell you what is punctuation. Basically punctuation marks are note the words. These are symbols. Okay, like comma, question mark, full stop, exclamation mark, apostrophe. These are all symbols that helps you to understand the full sense of sentence for reading as well as for writing. So punctuation marks are very important because they helps to understand that where we have to take pause or breathe and where the sentence ends and we put full stop over there. So as we all are familiar with full stop is generally used at the end of the sentence. When the sentence completes, we use full stop. The next is comma. We use comma to create pause. When while reading, while writing, when we have to create pause, we use comma over there. Next is question mark. Question mark is generally used for asking the question. So we put question mark after the questioning sentences. Next is apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to create possession. मलकियत शो करता है, ठीक. So these are the punctuation marks which you used at the level of 4th. So let's see the worksheets of punctuation. So here I have written some statements related to punctuation. Let's see the first sentence. We put dash at the end of a question. What we put at the end of the question? Question mark. Next is we put dash at the end of a sentence. When the sentence completes, we put full stop at the end of the sentence. नेक्स्ट कोमा इज़ यूज टू इंडिकेट. कोमा किस चीज़ को इंडिकेट करता है? टू क्रिएट पॉज, कि हमें रुक जाना चाहिए, टू टेक पॉज. नेक्स्ट इज द साइन ऑफ अपोस्ट्रॉफी इज. व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ अपोस्ट्रॉफी? कोमा with s, like this. So next question is punctuate the passage correctly. You have to punctuate this passage. Let's start reading the passage. Yesterday I saw two birds busily building their nest. अब इसमें yesterday स्टार्टिंग, जब भी हम किसी सेंटेंस को स्टार्ट करते हैं, ऑलवेज द फर्स्ट लेटर मस्ट बी कैपिटल. सो वी राइट द y कैपिटल लाइक दिस. I also is written in capital letter. Saw two birds busily building their nest. After nest we put full stop because one sentence completes here. They, after the sentence has been completed, the next word after full stop must be capital. So we write T of the they in capital letter. So they flew backwards and forwards, up and down, and in and out. Full stop. Next sentence complete here. Same thing after full stop. The first letter must be capital. So we write F in capital letter of first. Let's carry on to the next. First they found some twigs. After twigs we write comma. Next they carefully wore them into a nest. Sentence completes. So we put full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's see the small worksheet related to this topic. So these are the statements you have to put where the question mark is required, where the full stop, and where the exclamation mark. Let's see the first sentence. The car is red. हमें सेंटेंस की completely समझ आ रही है. So we put full stop at the end of the sentence. The car is red. Full stop. Where is the dog? It's an asking question that where is the dog? So we put question mark. Next is I love ice cream. Sentence complete that मुझे आइसक्रीम पसंद है. So we also put full stop here. Next देखिए what time is it? It's a asking question कि time वक्त क्या हो रहा है, time क्या हो रहा है. So we put question mark after this statement. Fifth देखिए you are great. It's showing strong feeling, emotion that you are great. So we put exclamation mark over there. Last is cats like milk. It's a complete sentence कि बिल्लियों को दूध पसंद होता है. Cats like milk. After that we put full stop. So this is a short worksheet of punctuation. So the worksheets of the both the topics has been complete here. I hope you all understand it very well because this is the revision process, and I hope you all are familiar with these two topics. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.